hello, Sonic. Hello. Wait, it's different. Isn't it supposed to be me saying, hey, Mario? Changed. Okay. Anyways, look at this. Did you make that? Yes, I did. Cool. I want to go in it. It's not done yet, though. Want to get a free sample? No. 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 Go. No. Fine, you win. Okay, then what do you want to do then? Wait, who's that? It's a monkey. You want no? Not again. You are weird. Okay. Hello, weird thingamajiggy. No, get away from me. What's wrong with you? Get away from me, or else. Or else what? You have a face? Ah, no, stop. Okay, fine. You weirdo. I just wanted to be friends. Friends? Yeah. Oh, why'd you say so? My name is Donkey Kong. You're not a donkey, you're a gorilla. You wanna go inside and wanna see what's gonna happen? Yeah, okay. Okay. I'm gonna push you off first! Haha. Really? Yes, I did this. You really did that? Yes. You son of a... Oh, I can't say it. This is not inappropriate. I don't like saying inappropriate things because he did this. I'm going back outside. Okay, I'm gonna just relax in the shade. Okay. Who cares? Okay. I do not like what just happened. I don't like this. The water hose in here. Oh my god. Wait a second. Oh no! It's the last thing! No wonder it's not going up. Unless. I need Donkey Kong's help. No! I need Donkey Kong! Donkey Kong! JK! Help! What do you want? I need you to please help with that pool. Why should I? Give you $10. 20, 30, 40, 50. No, not 50. Won't help you with your pool. I will give you $50, son. Okay, let's go. Okay. Look, just want to show you something. Okay. Ready? Wait, what do you want to show me? This is what I want to show you. That is what I want. Wait. Can't see it. Leak. No way. Get in the pool. No, I'm not getting in that pool. It's super deep. Not really that super deep. Well, at least I found a new friend. It's a pool party next time. No. Yes, it can be a pool party. No, but the camera, it's not waterproof. Oh. Well, then what do you want to say to the viewers? What viewers? Look at the camera. Oh, hello. It is me, Donkey Kong. See, it's just on my tie. DK Donkey Kong. Everyone might know that, but if you are new to this, I hope you subscribe. Oh, you already knew what's gonna happen? Yes, I know, because I went to the future. What am I gonna say next? Wow. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. And what do you want to say? I'm letting you talk now. Oh, hope you subscribe if you're new and if you're not new. Wait. You should subscribe when you see me. I'm gonna be making videos after a few days, I know, okay? So, stay awesome, Plushie Bros. Psh. That was supposed to turn off the camera. Psh. Wasn't it? Psh, psh, psh. Oh, I see now. Sonic! I hate you. Bye. I need Donkey Kong's help. No, I need Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong! JK! Help! 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 What do you want? I need you to please help with that pool.